Hey, hi everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening to everyone. Hello, Rudra. Hi, Akash. Guys, am I audible to you all? Hi, Dhanush. Guys, are you people there? Am I audible and visible to you all? Yes. Okay. Thank you, Dhanush. So my name is Anam Khan. I'm from LetsUpgrade, and I welcome you all to the Prompt Engineering Bootcamp. It is a 2 days bootcamp, and each day it will be a 2 hour session. So the timing will be from 6 to 8 p.m. So I hope you will be joining us for the day two as well. I want to see you all there also. Hi, Swapnil. So let's wait for more 2 minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes for others to join in. You till then you can call your friends, family members, cousins, or whoever want to master prompt engineering, who want to learn how to use AI and everything. So it's a best course to to learn this thing, and it is very essential for in the current current industry and the current that we are going into. So please make sure that you learn and get the things very clearly. If you have any doubts, if you want you have any questions, you can ask us in the chat. The trainer is Samir sir, so he will guide you, he will help you, he will answer all your queries. So yeah, please be active in the chat and be with us for the this 4 hours of session. Okay. Yes, Milan, I'm doing well. How are you? How are all you all are you guys all are? Let me know in the chat. Also, let's interact something with each other. Can you let me know from where you people are joining? Hi, Shub. Fine. Okay, great. How to mark the attendance, how you will get your certificate, everything I will explain. I will let you know the procedure. Till then, please, for 2 minutes, we'll wait more, then we'll start with the session. Okay. Delhi, Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, great. 6 p.m. Sudha, at 6 p.m. the session will start. Tomorrow as well, the same timing, that is 6 to 8. Okay. Guys, please call your friends, let them know about this free boot camp. We are also issuing the certificate. It's a free certificate, and you literally don't have to pay anything for it. Just attend the boot camp, mark your attendance. You will need to pass a test to unlock that certificate. Then yeah, you can put your showcase your certificate in a LinkedIn profile, Naukri profile, or wherever you want to just put it. You can do it. It will be valuable. It is a valuable certificate, so yeah, it will add value to your resume as well. Okay. I'm sharing the attendance link here in the chat, and now I'll let you know the attendance procedure as well. So here, now let's have a look on the screen, guys. I will tell you the attendance procedure. Okay, so first of all, here we have all-in-one documentation. The link is also pinned in the chat. And when you click on this link, a document will open where you can find all the things like files, resources, notes for this. That is the syllabus for this boot camp, and attendance link, enrollments link. Everything is there. So it's taking time to load. Yeah, it's open. So here, guys, this is the document. This is a short doc link, and here is the attendance and enrollment link. So first of all, you for all we have one link for attendance, enrollment, certificate, everything we have. We call it as a one link. So this is the link. When you click on it, again a new page will open where you need to first of all enroll for the program. If you're a new user or new to the program, you have to enroll first, and then only you will be able to mark your attendance. Okay. So it's taking time. So here it's the page. Now when you scroll down the page, you can see here the day one title. Here is a market attendance toggle. Click on it. A rating scale will open from 1 to 10. You have to rate the session according to your experience, your feedback and everything. You can rate the session. Here I will give 10 on 10 now. And here is a feedback option. If you have any like feedback box, if you have any feedback for us, be it positive, negative, or if you want to like if you didn't understood anything or if you didn't liked anything, you can freely put it here. If you can explain your things, and we will surely work on it. It will help the trainer and the LU side also, like to improve our things. Okay. And after that you can click on this mark attendance again. So here you will see this progress bar. It will increase day by day. Like today it is 50%, and by day 2 it will be 100%. So when you mark your attendance, that time only like it will increase. And to get your certificate, it is necessary that you have 100% of your progress bar. And the certificate will unlock on day 2. Like it will be available to download tomorrow after 8 p.m. So do not spam in the chat. Ask again and again, like when you will get a certificate, where it is, how it is, how you will get it, and everything. It is very clear, guys, that you need to mark your attendance daily. And tomorrow after 8 p.m., same on this same page below, just below this progress bar, you will get to see a download certification option. When you will click on that button, then you will have to like you will see a test. The test will be of 10 questions, out of which you will have to put 7 right answers. And that then only you will you can download your certificate. So please make sure that you attend all the lectures. You like learn the things. You, if you have any queries, you can ask it, clear it. So since all the questions will from in the test will be from the session only, no external questions, no other questions will be there. So you will have to like watch the whole session very clearly. Okay, then only will be able to pass that test. And after that you can just upload it to your LinkedIn profile or wherever you want. Okay. And if you have any queries, anything you want to know from our end, or if you want to get daily updates, reminders, upcoming boot camps, events and everything notification, you can just join our communities. Here is the link. When you will click on this button, you will be able to join our communities, where we post every day the daily things whatever are there. Okay. So yeah, that was it about the attendance and certificate part. If you still have any queries, let me know in the chat. I will share the attendance link again. You can just mark your attendance by clicking on that link. Okay. Is it clear, guys? You can watch the recording also. Like we will upload this session on the YouTube channel. You can watch it anytime. Like save this link, or you can find the link in this all-in-one documentation, the session links. So you can watch the session anytime. Okay. Let me know if I'm clear to you all. Give me a thumbs up, or heart emoji, fire emoji, or okay, anything. Please respond. If I've marked it, okay, great. I think I'm clear, guys. Please be active in the chat. Yes, okay. Now, moving ahead, guys, we have this student ambassador program. Again, when you click this link, you will get all the informations about this program. It is a 1 month free program. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is a totally free. Even during the during the program, you don't have to pay anything. And here you will get to win lots of prizes, rewards, Amazon coupons, and swags. Also, you will be able to attend exclusive workshops, activity sessions, where you can win like prizes up to 5,000, 3,000. There are hackathons, designathon, and many more things are there. This, and it is a 3 month program. The next batch is starting from 15th September. So you have time. You have 2 to 3 days to apply for it. And the team will get to you. He will send you all the things. They will share the mandatory things with you. And there are certain things, like these are the targets that you need to unlock to get this prizes. That is gold, silver, and bronze certificate. So yeah, that's it. If you want to know more about it, enroll for the program. You will get more information about it, or else you can check out our social media handles. Okay. Okay, I think I'm clear to everyone now. Let's start with the session. I will call a trainer, who is Sami sir. So here he is. Hi sir, good evening. Your voice is not audible, sir. Hello.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now.
so thanks for the introduction. So, can we start?
Yes, sir, you can start. I will take a leave. So, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you, Anand. So, yeah, guys, hello, hi for all. So, first of all, guys, I need session to be interactive. That should not be, one-side communication. I want feedback from you guys also, like where I'm going and all those things. Okay. So, hi. I hope everyone is doing good. Are you ready for the session? Prompt engineering. Hi. Yeah. Okay, that's great. Okay, fine. So let's start with the session. Uh, so before that, I wanted to ask, voice not clear. Is it? Is my voice clear to all? It's look like AI video. Okay, fine. So, sure, let me introduce myself. So, I'm Samir Ansari. So, I have total 5 years of experience as an AI/ML engineer. Currently, I am working as an AI engineer in US startup, basically. Startup, one of the US. I can't say the name and all those things. Yeah, so day-to-day life is being LLM, agents, AI, agentic AI, all those stuffs. Okay, so that's pretty much about me. I hope you guys are pretty good so we can start this session. So let me share my screen. Mhm. Okay, so I hope the screen is visible to all. Yeah, so let's start. Okay, so first, like before moving to prompt engineering, all these stuffs and all those things. So just let me know. Have you what I was telling? Uh, can you tell me some of the great use case what you have seen in the current AI era? Like, don't tell me like general thing like ChatGPT. Okay. So any AI use case that you feel, oh, it's very helpful in the environment or whatever era is going on. So any use case have you seen that is solving a realistic problem? So if you have seen any, okay, customer support, perplexity is a model. Uh, Anyone? Black box, okay. Gen Z era. Nice one, Danshu. Okay. Banana AI, okay. Image generation model. It can help us to code. You guys are all telling the model names. I'm asking about the use case. Any use case? Okay. Can anyone give me any use case? Real life AI देखा है कहीं पे? Customer support AI calls. Yeah, that's what the use case is. Power BI using AI. Yeah. Rudraj, great. Self-driving cars. Someone said self-driving cars. Yeah, that is what a use case is. Like, for example, I don't think someone. I'm sure everyone has heard that. Drone delivery कर रहा था Zomato का in Bangalore. I think have anyone heard that? So that is a particular use case of AI. Yeah, YouTube video agents. Alexa. Oh, nice. Okay, so yeah, let's start with this session, guys. So that's pretty much about it. So yeah, so prompt engineering. Have anyone previously heard about prompt engineering or have anyone worked on it? Prompt engineering. कभी ऐसा मौका मिला है prompt engineering पे work करने का? So I just wanted to know what is the level of the audience. Is it No. Yes. 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 Heard about it. Okay. So yeah, today we will clear many of the points like कैसे use करना चाहिए AI models को, how efficiently we can use it, how efficiently we can save our money, save our time, and accurate कितना answers आना चाहिए, like all those things. Okay, great. So yeah, let's start. So yeah, so let me present my screen. This is it. Yeah. So first module, what we will be talking about here is basic prompt engineering. We will start from basics and we will move towards the advanced level of prompt engineering. At the end of tomorrow, we will be able to build some of the great applications using these AI models. Okay, so we don't want to consider AI models. वो work कैसे करते हैं हमें वो नहीं जानना. We just want to design our prompt in such a beautiful manner कि AI model can understand what we want. So that's what prompt engineering is. If you see the definition, what is prompt engineering? So prompt engineering definition is designing input. Whatever input you are providing, you have to design in a way that AI models use it effectively. Okay, so that's what prompt engineering is like. Consider AI model as a smart kid. ओके बट नेव ऑल्सो मतलब बच्चा भी है नादान भी है बट स्मार्ट भी है सो यू सो लाइक दैट यू नीड टू आस्क दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इन सच ए वे कि उसे समझ में आए और वो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली वो आंसर कर दे. तो दिस इज व्हाट प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग इज. तो हम कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे कुछ ड्रॉबैक्स देखेंगे प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग के क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए है ना टू डूज एंड टू नॉट टू डूज एंड ऑल दो स्टफ. सो या so definition as I mentioned, analogy मतलब basically होता है कि talking to AI. It's like talking to AI, asking the right question to a smart friend. As I mentioned, the AI is a smart friend, but you need to ask the exact right question to it. Okay. Prompt engineering. Yeah, exactly. Who is that? The dark creation. Yeah, that's what exactly prompt engineering means. Yeah. So again prompt engineering why it is necessary. First of all why it is necessary. If you ask vague questions then model will respond vague way. Okay. Nowadays model are very smart so agar aap unhe if you tease them if you prompt in a tease way they will reply it in a tease manner. Okay, थोड़े से नटखटी हो गए you can say like that. Yeah, so prompt engineering is matter because of accuracy. Whatever AI models we are using, if you don't apply prompt engineering properly, you will not get accurate results. Okay, you can you cannot get accurate results. And if you don't apply prompt engineering, it will waste of time for your organization, also waste of money because AI models को run करने के लिए computational चाहिए. Okay, we need computational resource for AI models. So nowadays APIs are available. We will see how what those things are. So if you waste the particular money by not designing the perfect prompt, so that's not a good part. That is a waste of money, waste of resources. And anyhow, if your boss sees कि आप तो पैसे उड़ा रहे हो, so फिर तो आपका हो गया काम. So that's why prompt engineering is necessary. Make most make more usable in real world tasks basically. Like if you see, we will see in the next modules. So yeah, that's pretty much about prompt engineering. So हम थोड़ा सा chat GPT के साथ ये करते हैं. Let's do some chit chat basically. Basic start करते हैं chat GPT के साथ. Yeah. So a basic prompt, a basic how you guys are prompting, I will do in that way first. For example, I wanted to know, I'm just writing something like explain AI in simple terms, in simple terms for a 10-year old kid. Okay. So I'm telling the AI to explain in simple terms what is AI, what AI technology is. Just like you are explaining to a 10-year-old kid. Okay. Net, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ सिर्फ इसे रिमूव कर देता हूँ. Okay, wait, let me. I don't want to use this basically. ChatGPT. Yeah. So the thing is explain AI in simple terms. पहले मैं सिर्फ इतना दूंगा. I will give this much only. Explain AI in simple terms. Now let's see what AI will do. Oh, ChatGPT will do. You know, see. For example, if you are explaining AI to 10-year-old kid, will that guy knows what is recommendation? नो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि 10 साल का बच्चे को पता हो कि रिकमेंडेशन क्या होता है. ओके. सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स, नो, सी हाउ बिग वर्ड्स ही इज यूजिंग. So that's why you need to mention explicitly what you want. So now I am telling explain AI in simple words, simple terms for a 10-year-old kid. Now let's see how it responds. See, AI is like a smart robot that can learn and think a little bit like humans. That's what kid can understand, but not that big words like self-driving cars, recommendation systems, and all those things. It can looks a lot of information, understand patterns, help us doing things like play game, recognize pictures, or answer questions. So these are simple English that can be explainable to a 10-year-old kid, but not the previous one what we got here. If you see voice assistant, अब 10 साल के बच्चे को बता पाओगे what is voice assistant? He will not be able to recognize what is voice assistant. पहले उसे जानना होगा, then only he can compare with the AI. Okay. So now अब और थोड़ा अब और थोड़ा अच्छे से करते हैं. So now I am editing in more way. uh, Explain AI in simple terms. Instead of simple terms, I am telling in 3 bullet point. Okay. as okay, as if you are teaching a 10-year-old kid. Explain AI in 3 bullet points as you are teaching a 10-year-old kid. Okay. So now let's see what AI will give. ChatGPT will respond. See, AI is like a smart robot brain. छोटे शब्द बड़ा धमाका. That's what we wanted using this particular prompt. So and here also it helps with tasks that actually AI do. It learns from experience, है ना. AI train होता है तभी हमें बता पाता है. So you see the difference between 3 different prompts. Explain AI in simple, बहुत उसने लंबा चौड़ा डेफिनेशन दिया जो हमें आपको समझेगा, नॉट अ 10-year-old kid. तो ठीक है, फिर मैंने बोला कि आई वांट एक्सप्लेनेशन फॉर 10-year-old kid. Again it went well, but not in an optimized manner. Okay. Now in an optimized manner, like हमें छोटे शब्द में बोला छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका ऐसा आउटपुट चाहिए. So I have prepared a prompt in 3 bullet points. So that's what exactly is prompt engineering. Okay. And what do you recommend? The first, second, or third, guys? I wanted answer from you in the chat box. What is the good output from all 3 of them? First, second, or third? Can anyone? Yes, I'm waiting for you guys. Which is the best option? Yeah, sure. Sure. We will go with all coding stuff also. This is just a start, so we are using GPT. We will host our own LLM. Yeah. Okay. As you guys agreeing, the third one is the third one. क्यों अच्छा है? छोटा है but अच्छा है. That's the reason. It's small and if I will talk about money, how much cost it will take to me? For each token, I will cost. मतलब जितने ज़्यादा words generate कर रहा है, ChatGPT will charge me. Okay, if I am using API, because organizations में API use करेंगे, हम ऐसा dashboard नहीं use करेंगे. For you building some particular application, we will use this kind of APIs, not this kind of dashboard. Okay, so using that API, that will cost token wise money to me. But, for every character, for every word, it will charge me. So the more the word is, the high is the charge. Okay, जितना ज़्यादा generate करेंगे उतने ज़्यादा पैसे लगेंगे. So the less token I got within the less not token, I got the accurate answer what I wanted. Okay, yeah. So that's what it is. So yeah, guys, don't worry. I will explain in both Hindi as well as English. Don't worry about that. इसलिए मैं भी बीच में हिंदी बोल रहा हूँ. No issue. I know many of them are from those kind of background who can don't understand all the stuff. So yeah. So let's proceed. I think you're well known why prompt engineering is needed. So this is a point you can see the value of prompt engineering, why prompt engineering is needed. Okay, so yeah, let's move back to the presentation and let's proceed with some more interesting topics. Okay. Mm, let me check with the team. Is my screen lagging? Is it proper now, guys? Your screen is lagging. Okay. Okay. Mm, uh, okay. So yeah, let's start. The next thing is module 2. So now moving towards module 2, video is getting stuck. Guys, team, can you please check what's the problem? Because all thing is good from my side. Wait, guys, let me check with the team. I think there's a technical issue here. Yeah, I think it's fine now. Wait, guys. Yeah, sure. I will share you, Dhanush. I will share all the contents. Okay, sure. So yeah, let's start with the further things because we are almost wasted half hour. Okay. Okay. So what are language models first of all? Before understanding the prompt engineering, we should understand what are language models. Okay. So yeah, what is language model? Again, as I told you, consider language model as an smart kid. Whatever you will answer, that will give you response. थोड़ा technical में बात करूँ, if I talk about some technical things, so language model is nothing but a big mathematical model that उसके पीछे एक बड़ा सा मैथमेटिकल मॉडल है that has that is have knowledge of some that has been trained on some knowledge, some particular data पे वो train हुआ है, he knows some of the things. Okay, so that's what the language model is, and what the models are available on the No, a market are like OpenAI. OpenAI is the service provider that gives GPT series, GPT-3, GPT-4, GPT-5. Till now, GPT-5 has been came. Okay, so फिर then Google comes into picture. Google's के models है like Gamma and all those things. Then Facebook के models है. So most like if you see Bert, Llama, then again Claude के models है. Anthropic के Claude models है. Perplexity models are there. Okay, so this kind of stuffs are there. Okay. Hmm. So yeah, that's what the language model is. Okay, and use cases क्या है उसके? Chatbot, like as nowadays it's been used mostly in chatbot summarizations, coding. Like we will do some of the use cases here also, and how they work exactly. So consider like I have represented here. So consider a user is giving a prompt like whatever I have did just with the chat GPT. So it will do two steps in a pre-processing. It's a pre-processing कहते हैं. So what is in pre-processing? What happens? In pre-processing, what happens? Tokenization as well as embedding. So I will explain what is tokenization and embedding. Okay, in pre-processing, tokenization is happening and embedding is happening. Now next after embedding model the actual AI model से उसके पास input जाता है. It takes the input and it generates the tokens. It generates the output, and that then we will receive the final response. Now we will see what is tokenization and embeddings. Okay. Now finally, the role of prompt. What is role of prompt? The whatever input you are providing, it should be enough explainable to the AI models. That's what the prompt role is exactly. Okay. So that's what is fundamentals of AI language model. So let's more dive into how they actually work. Okay, so let me tell you what is tokenization is first. Okay, so for example, you have given a word. Okay, I think I have not. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So for example, you have given a word. Uh, let me share, open the thing. What I was telling. Yeah, tokenization tool. Okay, so here you will get to clear what exactly tokenization is. Okay, why it's not allowing me? My God, let me. Okay, I will try from different browser. Yeah, so yeah, let's try. So for example, मैंने input दिया. Uh, अभी हम चैट जीपीटी हाँ बोल रहे थे ना explain AI in simple words. So explain AI in simple terms for a 10-year-old kid. Okay, so that's what we were giving input. So different models have different tokenization. So for example, I am considering GPT-4. Now see what token is what I was telling. For now, just consider token is splitting into words. Okay. For example, अगर मैं आसान भाषा में बोलूँ तो splitting into words means separating the words from the sentence. Okay. हाँ, exactly. Tokenization like dividing in small parts. Exactly. But what we need to divide? We need to divide the words that has been defined in a dictionary. Basically, जब भी हम मॉडल ट्रेन करते हैं तो हम एक डिक्शनरी बनाते हैं. We create a dictionary of words that will be used in my knowledge base. That words only I will be used for the training. So these words will be available in my dictionary. Then only it will come. So if you see here, explain AI in simple terms for a 10-year-old kid. If I tokenize this, if I split this, then how it will come? See, EX is a different token, plain is a different token, AI is a different token, in is a different token, simple is a different token, terms, for, a, 10. So it is being splitted in word. And not necessary कि जो complex word होते हैं, it again breakdowns into some multiple words. As you can see, explain here, it has been a combination of two particular words. So as you can see, explain is X plus plain. Okay. So that's what a tokenization is. So let me try this. I'm copying this and I'm pasting here. Let us see this. Okay. So see, open is different token, AI is different token. As I mentioned, is somewhere for complex character, complex words, that is not a normal word. It's a big word, or if it is a combination of two words, then you can say, you can say it is a combination of two words. Then it will take two tokens, not one token. If you see large, it is a normal word, so it has taken only one. OpenAI is nothing. It's not available in any dictionary. If you see open plus AI, so that's why it has considered two words. Okay. If you see, if is there any more word, it has taken no. Mostly all are the simple word. Let me try this sentence. Okay. Let me try this sentence and try. If you see a helpful rule of thumb, token generally nothing in this, nothing is available. So all are normal words. No token is there that contains two tokens. So at this point, I think you got to know what actually token is. Okay. And token is basically converting tokenization. Why we do tokenization first of all? Converting actual number word to number. That's what the reason is. Okay. If you see, there is token ID. So I was telling we used to create a dictionary. So डिक्शनरी में 32 नंबर पे ये पर्टिकुलर वर्ड होगा. Okay. So at the number of 32, that particular A will be there, character A, and the next word is helpful. So for helpful, I have got an index 10297. So this is something we are going towards technical way, but that's how computers understand. Computers don't understand word. So first we need to convert into numbers. Okay, then only it will understand. So if you see, A is converted to 32, and helpful is converted to 10297. Now this is just an index. At this particular index, there will be a embedding stored. As I showed you, now at this point you have got to know what is tokenization. Now I will show you what is embedding, and I will show you one beautiful thing that you have, I think, multi-dimensional सुना होगा. Interstellar जिसने देखा है. Whoever have watched Interstellar, you have heard about multi-dimensional. So we will analyze their multi-dimensional thing. So embeddings. Now let's talk about embedding. So once you have given the input, tokenization done. Like input दे दिया, what is the capital of India? Tokenization हो गया, what is capital of India? Tokenization done. Now what will happen to each character? Now it's the part of embedding. What will happen to each token? So now let's move towards the embedding. So understand a simple thing. Okay, not don't go it in deep, because just we are doing prompt engineering, not building any model. Okay, so here for example, there is a character word, or there is a character man, word, there is a word man. Okay, so for that man, I have different what I can say, parameters defined. So for man, is man a living being, yes or no? So if it is yes, it is close to 1. If it is no, it is close to -1. Consider this kind of situation here. So if it is a man is a living being. Yeah, it is a living being. That's why it's close to 1. 1 means -1 to 1 के बीच में देखो. So 0.6 is close towards 1. Okay. So yes, it is a living being. Again, man, it is a feline. Feline means, is it a family of cat? Like lion is a family of cat, leopard is a family of cat. But is man a family of cat? No. So it's towards -1. So 1 to -1 के बीच में लिखिए. The 1 is yes and -1 is no. So similarly, a man is human. Yes. A man has gender. Yes, it has gender. Royalty. Yeah, it has somewhat. 0 point minus 1, like towards negative, but not the highest negative. Minus 9 nahi diya hai. Okay. Verb. Is a man verb? No, man is not a verb. Okay, man is a word. It's not a verb. Verb basically action things. So these kinds of terminologies we defined for each word. Okay, so that word becomes the dimension for that particular word. Okay, got it. So at this point, almost clear. Anything at this point till here, all you guys clear? So let me talk about women also. Woman is living being. Yes, it is. Feline. Woman is feline. No, woman is slightly feline. It is saying, but it's not feline because somewhat relation is there between the woman and feline. That's why it is in positive manner. Okay. Woman is human. Yes, yes, it is human. So this kind of number, it is as I told you, machine computer don't understand English language. It understand numbers. So these words are converted into numbers basically. Then it is passed to models. Then it is passed to models and mathematical computation बहुत सारे होते हैं. It all computes and finally we get the response. So till this point, consider a word is represented in a form of vector. This is called as a vector, and each vector has a different meaning. Okay, and now I will, as I was telling, consider a dictionary of so much word, and so much word is has as you can see, man or woman. If I plot this particular vector and this particular vector, man or woman, man and woman, you don't think so? It is quietly close to each other because they are human beings, first of all, and man and woman are living beings, and कुछ ना कुछ रिलेशन है. मैन और एप्पल के बीच में रिलेशन नहीं होगा बिकॉज मैन इज ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड एप्पल इज अ fruit. So that's why there will be no relation between man and apple. Okay. So yeah. So let me analyze. Let us analyze this whole dictionary. Uh, what was that? Embedding projector. You will very happy to see this. If I will, if it's not visible from my side, guys, so please open your in on your system once after the session or right now. So as you can see, this is one dictionary. Whatever you are seeing, it's rotating. Each bubble contains one word. If you see, each bubble contains one word, and this is all dictionary. Now I was telling कि man and woman का thing. Let's search man. Man is this man. I'm talking about this. Say this man is here. Okay, this man is here, and whatever you are seeing, these are nothing but relational relation between man. So man is mostly related to woman, as you can see here. Okay, so that's what you get the relation, and that's what you predict what is the exact uh, what is the most closest number word towards this. So if you see man, and if I am seeing the another word woman, so if you see isolate, okay, yeah, I am selected one man. Now I'm selecting girl. So yeah, this is how things are. Woman, girl, and all those things. If you see, yeah, that's what. And actually, behind yeah, this is super cool. I got it. But behind the neural network, that's what the patterns are considered here. आप जो AI देखते हो, AI के पीछे exactly यही चल रहा होता है. They are, gathering that, searching for that particular pattern that it has been trained on. Okay. Okay, so I think you are quite now familiar like how AI works because अगर मैं बोलूं कि man में search कर रहा हूँ तो for example man तो man के लिए most related word कौन सा आ गया woman. So that's what I wanted to say. If I'm searching for king, so see for king के लिए most related word. Okay, let me select the king. Kings, queen, throne, son, emperor, Henry, prince. These are the words that are related to kings. So आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कहीं ना कहीं फिर हमको पता चल सकता है कि आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है मतलब आपको आंसर क्या चाहिए? ओके, so that's what is it? Okay, so isolate 101 point. So let me show it. See, these are the things I just wanted to show you distance basically. Okay, this here is the king, and okay, fine. So let's move towards prompt engineering. तो अभी आपको समझ गया कि LLM वर्क कैसे करते हैं कि पहले LLM embedding में convert किया. Now this embedding is being trained on some data. Then it will find that particular what we say pattern, and based on that pattern, they will answer you, and they will again convert to words back because हमें answer जो मिलते हैं numbers में मिलते हैं. We get answers in number. We then again convert back it to exact word, and that word is being given to us by ChatGPT. Okay, so that's what it is. So I hope you like this. अगर आपको if you are interested, then no, you can try once more. The let me post it the link here if you want. This is quite wonderful to see. Uh, team, I have shared the link. Can you please share to the channel so other can check these things. This is actually how it should be. Okay, so let's move forward. टोकनाइजेशन एम्बेडिंग समझ गए. अब प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग पे करते हैं. अभी आप लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा कि हाउ एक्चुअली इट इज वर्किंग. या सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग. So till now you have any questions, guys? If you have any question, just drop it on the chat if you have any questions. If you are all clear, just say yes, you are all clear. If you are not clear, just tell me what it is not clear so we can discuss here only. On high level, I think you have got to know how AI models work. AI models relation don't it finds the relation, then it predicts the very next word what you are expecting. That's what I have showed you, in a visual manner. AI वर्क कैसे करता है आपने देखा है एक्चुअली अभी आज. ओके, ओके फाइन देन. यानी थैंक यू. Okay, so let's start. So, okay, prompt. I think you got to know what is prompt. Prompt is basically the input what you are providing to the chat GPT. Okay, so prompts are of two types. Okay, prompts are of two types on high level: open-ended prompt and structured prompt. So let's ask the open-ended. Whatever currently you guys are doing, I think it's an open-ended prompt or prompt only. Whatever you ask to ChatGPT. As you can see, open-ended prompt definition is broad and explanatory. क्योंकि open-ended prompt थोड़े बड़े होते हैं and explanatory, like you define the explanation. That's it. Well, because what we were doing currently to ChatGPT, not here. Yeah, yeah. So these were the example of open-ended prompt. It has just the explanation, not any structure, not any output format, all those things. So this was the example of open-ended prompt. Okay. So if you see example, tell me about space exploration. Okay. Let us try this prompt. Let us try this prompt. Okay. Tell me about space exploration. Okay. See, ये बहुत elaborative prompt है. Why is it not working? How it's able to relate like human? James, for that you need to deep dive more technical. There's a concept known as perceptron. It's a same mimic of our neurons, what how brain actually works, and it has been released on 1960s, I think. So that same perceptron concept is being applied here. So just go and search on internet what is perceptron, and you can get to know how actually it works. Perceptron, then moving towards you can find neural network, how neural network work. That's how actually works. It's not a one day of explanation you can see. Actually, you can take almost a week to learn that. Okay. So yeah. Okay. What I was telling, I think I wanted this. Tell me about space exploration. Yeah. So as you can see, but yeah, due to this, it is taking as 3 bullet points. Let me start a new chat and tell me about space exploration. Okay. See, it is very short explanation, although it is structured, but it's not do it don't know like what exactly I wanted. Okay, so that's what open-ended prompt is. If I go towards the now, I will talk towards structure prompt. Structure prompts, what it is structure prompt? This is clear and guided. What exactly I wanted. Okay, this is clear and guided, and it has some output format, how output I wanted. And if you are providing some more information like do this and do not do this, so if do not do this means for that particular area it will not search for anything. Okay, so that's what thing are. Okay, so yeah, so now let's use the same thing with the same. Okay, now I will use a new chat because it will take the history otherwise. List 3 key benefits of C. Short and concise. Advanced scientific knowledge, space exploration help us understand the universe, planets, stars, and fundamental physics. Chota or beneficial. Okay. So drives technology. What are the technology? It is there. Support long-term survival. Draw pros and cons are there. Okay. So the effect of prompt, how it is being affected by just adding couple of tweaks in your prompt, how AI works basically. Okay, so that's how it is. Now, okay, as I shown you the comparison uh, here only. So, what is the structure prompt? Structure prompt means you are telling specifically what you wanted, and you are all those things. Okay, now let us try some more example. Do you guys have any examples? Can you, for guys, you can give me some vague examples, then I can structureize it. That's a good thing, I think. If you guys have any examples, we can prompt it to AI, then we can improve the prompt. Any prompt. Guys, I'm waiting if you guys are responding. Or let me try myself. uh, चलो न्यू चैट करते हैं. I'm asking, uh, explain about data analytics. Okay, let's go how to make a sandwich. But how to make a sandwich is not a good, I think. Yeah, so oh, that's a very. So we can take a prompt, explain about data analytics. Okay, okay. But yeah, similar we have done. I think like explain AI to a 10-year-old kid. Similar, it's same thing. Explain about data analytics. Now I will do one thing. Okay. Okay. So give me trends, fashion trends, fashion trends. Okay. Okay. That's it. I'm telling give me fashion, give me some fashion trends. Okay. ये थोड़ा weird है कि मैं exactly चाहता क्या. So let's see. What my aim is, I need to know what is being trending in the current market. That fashion I wanted to know. So don't you think the okay, here are some current fashion. Y2K retrieval of bright color, low rise pant, baby tees, oversize everything, sustainable fashion, tech wear. But don't you think this is something not coming in India? Okay, this is something maybe it is a Western culture what they are what he is telling about because we have not mentioned what explainably what exactly where exactly fashion trends are on. So if I will just check and tell in India, see how it will react. See now it's searching the web. Previously it didn't search the web. It just give me the exact prompt. Sorry, it taken the exact prompt and responded me. Now it's searching the web because I have mentioned explicitly in India. So that's the beauty of prompting. If you prompt it well and if you give the perfect information what you wanted, then you will get the exact. Okay. Okay. See, Indo-Western. Exactly. This is what is going on in India. We are not completely wearing the Western style, but yeah, we are wearing Indo-Western styles. Okay, muted tones, yeah, like a blush pink, seven. Yeah, you guys are seeing these things in the market. Okay. See, Janvi Kapoor's posture statement. Okay, so yeah, this is all things that whatever the previous prompt was, it was biased towards Western thing because the data whatever it has seen, it is biased towards Western, but not this data, not this one. Okay. Okay, fine then. So I think you guys are pretty much good with open-ended prompt and structure prompt. So we will try this on hands-on also, or using Python coding. But still, for understanding purpose, for a quick understanding purpose, we are just asking towards this. Okay. Now let's move forward. Crafting effective prompt. Now now you are in a situation, what is quite, what is good prompt and what is bad prompt. Now you will have some more advanced techniques, more advanced best practices, how you can give it and all those stuff. Okay, so I will share you four things here. What are the best practices? What are the common mistakes what people do? Good versus bad prompts. We will have some experiments. Okay, so best practice, you have to be clear. Every time I am telling about the prompt, you have to be clear and specific what exactly you wanted. Okay, and if possible, provide context in the sense just now we experimented here about the trend. I didn't provided context about India, but I provided context about India. It gave me what I wanted. Okay, so yeah, that's what it is. Provide a context. I think you got to know about what is provide a context and define output prompt. If necessary, if possible, define output prompt also. What is output prompt? We will have in some couple of minutes while experimenting with the Python code. And common mistakes, uh, too big. Like it should be not very small and not very generic thing. Okay. For example, explain AI. At start we did this. Okay. Explain AI. Now we will do some more experimentation here. Okay. In after this particular slide, overlay complex instructions. Basically, your instruction should not be like a WhatsApp message. Indian WhatsApp language is quite different. You should not give that to AI model because he has trained on some normal English word, normal things. He has not trained on some combination of English and Hindi, what currently in India we use as a WhatsApp language. Basically, we call that as a jargon. Okay, we should not use jargon. Missing context, we should not miss the context. We should provide the context, what actually we wanted. Do I want to bias towards something, some culture and all those stuff. Okay, now, what is good prompt and what is bad prompt? So, if you are stating simple, tell me about history. So this is a quite bad prompt. If I'm uh, rephrasing it and telling like summarize World War II. Okay, I'm not talking about here only history. I'm specifically mentioning what in history. So summarize World War II in 5 bullet points. focusing on key battles. Again, World War II भी अगर मैं बोलूँ तो it will explode, like बहुत सारा information दे देगा. So I am just focusing on key battles. So main battles से I just wanted to know that. So that's what the difference is. Let us try this. This is a good example. Let's try this. I'm opening new chat because it should not tell me about history. Now see, what is giving? History is a study of record and past, blah 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 blah. Ancient civilization आ गया. Modern history, purpose of studying history. Okay, all this. He doesn't exactly know what I wanted. Okay, now what I will do? I will open a new chat and will ask this. I will use this prompt and let us try. See, now see the effect of this. As you can see, this is so much short, and this was like so much big. Here, within some bullet points, I got the exact thing what I wanted. Short key, matlab heading, and the short definition. Heading, short definition. Different patterns to be थे. So that's what this prompt engineering. You should be, properly align with your idea. Basically, what you wanted. See, I'm specifically mentioned World War II. I'm not talking about I see any general history. World War II in 5 bullet points, focusing on key battle. It's not necessary he has only 5 key battles. It has mostly it will be having many battles, but it has prioritized the 5 top battles what are most important. Okay. So that's what it is. So yeah, that's pretty much about exploring. So we will do some real world these are the real world application nowadays people are making using prompt engineering like customer support automation. Someone said at start of the chat, code generation. This also someone said content creation. So this is most nowadays it is being that okay, people are building agents, anything automations and posting contents on YouTube to and generating some income. Okay, so these are the some real world applications till now. Now we will do some hands-on basically. Okay, so till now we have learned the basic theory of prompt engineering. What a basic fresher can. It's good to know for a fresher. So till now, if anyone have any issue, any question, you can drop it on a chat. We can we can discuss over it. Or you want to explore some of the thing, then we can share I can share that particular prompt and we can discuss on it. If you have any question, just drop on the chat. So yeah, guys, I'm waiting for you guys. Till now, you have any questions? Anything related to prompt engineering, related to some technical aspects of AI, but it should be aligned with our bootcamp. It should not go out of the bootcamp. Anyone else? I hope all are on the same page because now we will be doing coding here. We will be setting up the LLM. I will tell you how to set up the LLM. As if you all are student, we have Google is providing a student plan for this student Gemini for student version. So you can enroll that particular plan and you can start working on that. Can you explain tokenization values were used by ASCII? Yeah, tokenization, even a space will have some token. Okay, even a space is considered. When you use ChatGPT, you type space. That is also being considered. Every character, at the rate, dollar, exclamation mark, comma, everything has an token number. JSON, what do you mean by JSON? Best of stand-ups. Are you expecting some JSON output? Yeah, we will be doing that. If it is, we will be doing in advanced techniques of prompt engineering. Okay, so let's start. Let's continue. Uh, yeah, so let's continue with the further. So first, what we will do, we will set up LLM. So LLM are of we will be focusing on two types using Gemini. Okay, that will be again we will be using Python for that, and we will use explore some open source methods. Like open source model means models are available. You can download it. You can set up it on your local system and all those stuffs. Okay. Can you tell us? Uh, that's out of the topic isomar. It's basically the many prompts are there, and you are storing it somewhere, and you are retrieving it based on your use case. So it's different thing. Okay, so yeah, let's move on. So first we will see LLM setup. Okay. So very first method you will see using Gemini. Okay. So how it is being done? So first you should enroll Gemini Pro. So if you have been enrolled, you can see Google wala theme around your circumference account. Okay. So my account is already been there, a pro version. So that's why it is being because I am utilizing it. Okay. So you can see the thing. So now how you can get the API. So get on the Google Studios, Google AI Studio, and you will see the API key here and just copy this. If it is not available, create an API key. You will create an API key. Okay. And just name some project, whatever you want, and it will create an API key. And after creation of API key, you will able to see here API key. Okay, so you can open this and copy it. Okay, this is how API is being there. But this is for this one Gemini, and how you can start. We will do some coding, and we will set up the Gemini. And for open source alternatives, I will recommend one thing, that is Grok, GROQ, Grok API. I think many have heard about it. Have you heard about the Grok, guys? Anyone in the chat? Yes, no, yes, no. Have you heard about Grok? GROQ, not Grok. Elon Musk वाला Grok नहीं. GROQ. Yeah. So it is an open source platform while open source models are available. So we will use this as platform. As you can see in the plate, just open this particular website of Grok. How I like just search Grok API on Google. Open the first link. Sign in. If it is not sign in using Gmail. Okay. Okay, and go if you can and create an API key here. So I have already created. So similar way or simple. And if you can go to playground, you can see this many models are available here. You can use on your basically local directly. Don't want to host anything. This provides a short no what is that credit limit. See, OpenAI GPT-OS just now got released, just now got open source. That is also available here. If you see Llama models are available, Meta models. If you can see OpenAI OSS model, then some Whisper models are also there. Whatever open source models are there, you will be able to find them, but it should not be deprecated. Deprecated means it should not be old version. Okay. Okay. Yeah, don't worry. I will delete that API, bro. I'm not a kid. Okay. So for you guys, I'm just showing the things so you can replicate it and easy to set up. So yeah, I have I have already have this API keys and all. So I will just start coding basically. I will just keep these things as it is. So what I will do, let me create a new folder here. Okay, here it is there, prompt engineering. Okay, yeah, prompt engineering, I have folder. I will open this in terminal code. I will open this thing in VS Code. This thing open. Okay, so we will start. Okay, first I need a .env file where I will store my keys basically. Store my keys matlab API keys, whatever it is there. Okay, so these are the API keys, whatever I have created earlier. So don't worry guys, I will delete that. Okay. Okay, so env create हो गया. Now we will start our project. We will start our use case. तो पहले हम क्या करते हैं, एक environment बना लेते हैं. We will create first environment. So how environment is created using Python hyphen n venv. This is a package name, and naming my environment as my underscore env. Okay. I'm creating the environment. Till the time, let me create one file. Let me create as day1 dot ipynb. Okay. And let me detect the kernel. So someone asked now what this class will be till 8. Uh, Someone asked what is LLM setup? Setup LLM setup, basically we are configuring LLM to run basically on our system. Okay, that's what it is. Okay, so let me check if it is running. Okay, I need to give Python environment. I'm telling my environment will be my kernel to run. So let me check if it is running. Okay, I need to install this Python kernel. So let if it is in let till the time it is installing, my env is also created. Let me activate it. How we should activate my env script activate. So this is how we activate the environment in the this thing. So for this particular stuff, we need some of the things. First, we need to load our environment variable here. So import os also from .env import load underscore .env. Okay, and finally I will load .env. So whatever my environment variables will be there, it will be loaded. But I don't think so it will work because I need to install this particular .env file. So how it is being installed? It is installed, but let things are completed now. Let it complete. IPython kernel is running. Yeah, somewhat coding knowledge is needed because it is aligned towards that. If you don't want to use coding, you can use N8N for that. Many things are there. No code solutions are also there. हाँ, small piece of program. Just you will came to know. हम छोटा सा ही program करेंगे. Okay. So yeah, it's been printed. So all things are good to go. So as I told you, it will give error because no module .env नहीं था. So what is that? I will. So this is how I am installing it. तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे, we will set up Google Gemini का We will set up Gemini API, Gemini setup. We will test Gemini model. So for that Gemini model, I need a Google Generative AI package for that. So I'm installing that package, and this is the code for generating the thing. Let me finish this, then I will explain one by one. Print hello, it is working. I'm loading the environment file. Okay, it has been responded true. Now Google Generative AI it's also completed. Let it complete, then we will run this and we will. So I'm using Gemini API key from environment file. I'm using this model Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, Gemini 2.5 Flash. And I am finally, this is how you ask the question. Gemini model, we have created an instance using this for particular function and you're passing the prompt inside the particular bracket. Okay, so all setup is done. Okay, this is not completed yet. Let it complete, then we will start our, real prompt engineering thing. Whatever we have done using ChatGPT now, we will do using this particular thing. Okay, so it has been done. So let's start. Let me ask, what is machine learning? Let me check. So it will respond. Let me, yeah, it will respond. Wait, let it run. It's taking time because it is setting up the model. Okay, so don't worry. Just give some moment. It will run. Okay, so it's run. So the same way, whatever how we are using it and Gemini application, we are getting the same response. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn from data, identify patterns. Guys, if this is too small, then you can tell. Should I zoom a little bit? You have what tutorial, Afaq, you want? I think I have explained how to get the API key. That's what I'm doing now. Tutorial, whatever I'm telling you. Guys, don't get confused. Yeah, you can use JavaScript also. Okay, okay. I think it's a language barrier here. If it is a language barrier, don't worry about this all stuffs. Whatever I have did till now, don't worry. Consider just this is a prompt. What is a machine learning? What is a machine learning? I am passing this as a prompt. Just focus on this. Whatever you have done or whatever I have done till now, just don't focus on it. That is a basic setup you need to do. That is a basic setup you need to do for every time. For a developer, like basically I am acting as a developer here. Okay. Whatever if you have got confused, don't confuse. Just till now, just till that slide, whatever you got explanation, keep it till there. Now we will start prompt engineering. Okay. So consider these two lines, and I am asking model. I'm just writing a prompt. Okay, prompt equals to what is capital of India. Okay, and I am actually passing that particular here. Just focus on this only one line. Prompt. I am simplifying for you guys. I am creating a function where okay that yeah def generate answer. Okay, that will take prompt and it will have this thing. Just give me a moment, guys. I'm just simplifying for you guys. You guys have got confused seems like. So yeah, this is ready to use code. Okay, whatever prompt you will ask, this is the prompt. Just pass it to this, and it will answer it. So okay, what is capital of India? The capital of India is New Delhi. Okay, whatever we were doing with ChatGPT, we are doing same, but this is with respect to code. Okay, okay. So yeah, all thing is good. So this was all using this one Gemini model, Google API. How will you use using Grok? So I will just share that also. So using Grok, you have to use this particular code. So for that, you need to install a package known as pip grok. So for that, I will install that package also, pip install grok. So this is actually cost. This is actually costing me, but this is free of cost. Whatever grok is telling. So you guys can use it. Okay. So okay, it has been running. So I am using Llama model as you can see, and the prompt is summarize AI in 3 bullet points. Okay, let us test this. Yeah, it's running. So here is a summary of AI in 3 bullet. So this way you can run using Grok also, and using Gemini also. But now for our experimentation purpose, for our testing purpose, we will use Gemini model. Okay, we will use this particular thing. Okay, for your explanation simply. Okay, so let's again, what is capital of UAE? Let's see. The capital of United is Abu Dhabi. Okay. Okay, fine. So let's move ahead. So the very first part was summarization. As I told you, we will do some of the hands-on. We will write a summarization prompt. Summarization basically means, for example, you have a huge document and you need to summarize for that particular thing. So how you will do that? You will just whatever you summarize, you will first design a prompt. So how will you design a prompt? So summarize prompt will be, let us design a prompt. Summarize prompt underscore prompt. So we will keep this as very simple. Okay. So, so so yeah. Okay. Summarize the following text following. You should take care of spelling mistakes as well, because okay, if as I told you, how you provide the input, that's how you will get the output. Garbage in, garbage out. It's like that. Summarize the following text. U is small in 5 bullet points. Okay. And what will be my text? Is there any text here? Okay, wait, let me copy from somewhere. AI news. Let us copy something. I'm summarizing this particular text. I don't know anything. I'm just the whole website I'm copying. Okay, I'm copying the whole website, and the text is, I'm telling text as this. And oh my god, not this. Text is this. This is the whole text. Okay, so this is my whole text. Now what I will do? I will call this particular function to, let me छोटा कर देते हैं इसे. But what is this? This is summarize form. Let us summarize this particular form. Let's see that particular text. The whole website, whatever I have copied. Okay, please provide the text you would like to summarize. I will summarize it into. Okay, I have provided the text. It seems like it has not following text. Okay, let me remove this. This is fine. Let me check this. See, now it's summarizing. Seems like. So whatever the content of website was there, I dumped that same into my prompt, and now it's I have asked to summarize it. Okay, the website was content was too long, so that's why it's taking too much of time. No, it need to what is the difference between code setup and using? It's the same thing. Google is at the end, at behind also, Google is executing the same thing what we are doing now. Okay, it's the same thing. We are doing from code, and we and Google has provided the UI for that particular code. That's all the difference is. What if I want to clone a web page? Yeah, it will be fine. Nowadays, AI is quite more. Okay, so yeah, summary has been created. Okay, so here's a summary of provided text. So I think it should better to print the answer because it will show in a good manner. Let me print the answer. So, yeah, see, this is the summary and how many bullet point? Five bullet point because I have specifically mentioned I need five bullet point. If you see text in five bullet points. Got it? Okay, so yeah, that's it for this summer. No, this that's it for the summarization task. Now we will move toward next task. That is, like write a translation form. So we will write some translation form here. Again, we will have some instruction and we will have some particular sentence and we will ask the model to translate it. Okay, so let's try for that. Okay, so let me give the prompt translation prompt. First, let me add a markdown here. Here it is summarization. Okay, now this is translation. No, not code. Translation. Okay, now we are performing translation. So translation ka guys, in which language do you want translation? Is there any can anyone because Gemini model is quite good enough to translate any in any language. It's smart enough. So any specific language you guys wanted? Can you respond? French, Spanish, German, Hindi, any language? Arabic. Oh, nice. Okay, let's try. Let's try. It's a great thing. Let's try. So Tamil. Malayalam. Okay, we can give it a try because this is more diverse now. We can give it a try. We will try. We will try. No issue. So how we will define the prompt? So we will define the prompt like this. Translate the sentence into for example, I will try for Arabic now. First Arabic, then we will go for Tamil, then we will go for Malayalam. Arabic, okay, into Arabic. Translate the sentence into Arabic. Okay. And the sentence is what should I keep the let's keep it simple. What should I add? No. I love my country. So this is my statement. Translation prompt. and I'm just calling again this particular function, and I am passing this prompt to my function to, you know, this is the prompt. Guys, don't worry about the code. Just follow the process because that's what you wanna. This the class is about prompt engineering. The class is not about Python or JavaScript. Just see how I am prompting the things. That's what you should focus on. Okay. So translation prompt, I have to pass the proper translation prompt and printing the answer. Let's see. Let's see if it will complete convert translation or not. Let's see. Oh, nice. It has converted. I don't understand Arabic to be frank, guys. So we can test. This is the final answer. We can test. Okay, so let's go and test it. Where should I test? Test on Google. Google Translate. Let it convert, detect automatically. Oh, I love my country. Nice. Spelling of sentence is great. Incorrect. Okay, let me check. Yeah, good point. Okay, it should be sentence. Correct. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that. But still, model are quite smart enough that it can correct by own itself because that's I have explained the embedding. See, that's what the beauty of numbers are. हम कहते हैं ना 0.99999. It's very close to one. That's what it has happened in the backend. Sentence A and CE वाला जो sentence था गलत, that was very close to that semantic meaning of that particular thing. Okay, so that's what it is. Thank you for Mayank for that thing. So I hope till now you have got it what the thing is. So now let's convert it into Tamil. Let's see how it will work. Tamil Tamil. Let's see. Okay, it has responded. Nice. Let me check. I am not able to pronounce this. Nan and Natai Nasi Karen. Oh, nice. I don't know actually Tamil. So let me paste it. Oh, I love my country. Yeah, that's good. Sir, it was offline or using only the API. So you need internet for this, Dhanush, because I'm using API. Whenever I hit the API, it use internet and hit the website of Google, run that particular model from our prompt, and the model is being run on Google cloud service, and that response is getting back to us. And this is how it's works. You can convert by prompting all three languages by single prompt. Sure, sure, sure. We can. Let's do. Okay. So translate the sentence into Tamil. Let's do one. Arabic, Tamil, and Malayalam. And finally, let's have our own this also native national language, that is Hindi and Hindi. Okay. So let's see. I love my country. See Arabic, Tamil, Malayalam. Let's do an experiment. Let's take a quite difficult statement. Uh, See, for example, this is the statement. Let's do an experiment here. So, for example, this is my statement. Guys, please attentive here. This is quite important. So, yeah. So, what I will do, I will convert into some another language. For example, Arabic. Okay, convert it into Arabic, and I will have an Arabic answer. Arabic answer. Okay, and also this is quite more detailed prompt. Do not use do not give any output apart from translation. Arabic. Okay, that's it. Let me have some exclamation mark to show my emotions. Okay, so let me print this particular answer. Now what we will do, we will print this Arabic. The word is despite hundreds of billion invested in AI. So this is being printed. I don't know what it is. So now what I will do, I will create one more prompt and I will convert back this into English. Let's see how it will work. I am telling English. GLISH. Okay. But now this time I will use this particular answer. This particular answer. Or I will do some coding here to so I will use the here. What was that? Arabic answer. Okay. So see how my prompt will look like. I am printing this. Print translation prompt. English. Because now I am converting it into English. So what I have done, I have converted into Arabic this particular statement, and Arabic is here. And now I am passing the same Arabic answer to this, and I am now telling to convert it into English. So let me print the prompt, like what prompt will look like. So prompt will look like this: translate sentence into English. This is the sentence. Do not give any output apart from English. Okay. So let's see. It will print or not. It will answer or not. So now, okay, despite hundred of billions invested in instead of AI, it has given artificial intelligence. You know, the almost it is same. Okay, almost mean that's what AI is. It's not generalized. Sorry, वो याद नहीं करता है basically AI. It's generalized. It is how it has been trained. It is generalized. Okay, so yeah, now we are pretty good with this translation thing. Now we'll move up with the next task, that is writing a coding assistant prompt. Okay, so let us do this task now. So, now we will write a coding assistant prompt. Sir, give basic replace. Okay, sure. We will do here coding assistant prompt. Okay, so coding assistant prompt. PROMPT. Okay. So yeah. So what I will do in coding assistant, I will tell, I will go with the simple thing first. Write a Python code to check a number, to check if a number is prime or not. Okay, two. It is two. GPT API is paid. Yes, yes, it is paid. So for guys, don't waste your money. You can try a Grok here. Whatever things I have done, I can replicate same using Grok. If you want, I can just do it now if you want. But don't for your experimentation, don't waste your money. You can, if you are a student, just use the Gemini. Okay, write a Python code to check if a number is prime or not. Okay, and also I will do some additional things, add comments explaining each step. So for each step I wanted Queen also. Okay, so write me a Python code to check off the number, blah blah. Okay, so now I will use this particular function. I will pass this prompt. and I will print the answer. Let us check. Write a Python code to check if a number is prime or not. Add comments explaining each step. Okay, so here is the code. See, from here to, let me scroll on. So this is the whole code I have got. See, this is the code. Okay, so this is how coding assistant prompting is. It's a basic thing. What I've done, it's a basic thing. You can improve a lot of things here by adding prompt. For example, I want to make it dynamic. Okay, basically I want to, here I have specifically mentioned the use case what I want to code for. For example, I want to make it dynamic. I will pass the use case dynamic and it will change that. So let me use that also. So what is the query? That query will be our question, what I want. Okay. For example, check if a number is prime or not. So I will replace this here and I will replace it by query. So it will make dynamic to it. It's just a coding thing you need to take. So it will work for them. So yeah, someone was asking, let's build a web page. So yeah, let's do that. I will do by simple HTML code. HTML code to write a HTML code to some particular query, and I don't want add HTML. Okay, I have just simply written this thing. Uh, make uh, code should be should be ready to use. Okay, and also I'm adding some more points. Make it clean and in structured manner. Okay, these are the some points that we can add. Okay, so okay, now what you want to create? Okay, let me also create a web page. Okay, for a chatbot communication interaction between user and a bot. That's it. I wanted to mention. So this is the query. Now let me have some space so my AI can understand between the query and instruction. So let me tell these are the instructions. Okay. So let me try this. Coding assistant prompt. Let me try this. Okay, see here I have kept a spelling mistake to create a web page for a chatbot. So again, it will be very basic because prompt is very basic. The code also, the code whatever we here we are generating, it will be very basic. Yeah, exactly. No coding knowledge needed for prompt engineering. That's what I'm telling guys. Just focus on prompt what I am providing here. Don't focus on the coding concept. See, this is the code provided by the model. You can see this is the code provided by the model. These are the whole code. It's ready to use. You can just use it wherever you want. Okay. Okay. So that's it, guys. I think we are good to go. So Anything else we want to discuss? Do you want to or else we have 10 minutes? So just give me some use case so we can build some prompt and we can do that. Okay? Do you guys have any use case or should I find any? Embedded topic I have covered. Session timing. It starts at 6. Tomorrow also it will start at 6 and it will end at 8. Divya. Embedding doesn't rely on language because anyhow, uh, anyhow, it is a mathematical model. It numbers Python also for number 2 as 2, Java also for number 2 as 2. So it doesn't rely on language. Just you are passing the steps and you are doing the things. Okay. So okay, we have some time now. So let me tell whatever guy whoever guys are confused, is it for language who are facing language barriers. So I will just do prompt engineering in front of you with no language. Have you guys used any? Have you guys heard of anything, guys? Anyone here? Have you guys heard of anything? I will use that particular stuff now. Have anyone used anything here? Yes, yes, seems like someone has used. So I will use one N18 setup. I will create one in front of you. Just wait, let me open that. Okay, so I will build one workflow for you guys. How for those who are asking, okay, is it necessary to have a coding language? Okay, so on chat message, that's it. So I have created one chat. Adding an AI flow there, and this is let no not with this. I will have one agent here. Okay, that's it. Add option. What is this? Connected to the node. Define below. Okay, that's fine. Hmm. Back to canvas. Now I have defined the agent. Now I will define the chat model. As I told you, we will have some. Okay, I have already created your save. Let me check. Okay, no, it's not working. So let me go back and paste my AMV here. Gemini API key. Where is that? Okay, retry. Yeah, so it's connected successfully. Save. Just to give, it's about to complete. For some guys, they were confused now. Do we need to know this thing or not? Prompt engineering के लिए हमें ये जानना जरूरी है क्या? For them, I am just showing these things. Okay. So now you have the Google Gemini model. I'm just selecting the model Flash. That's it. So see, I have created a setup just now in front of you. So it's ready to use. So this is a no code solution for all guys who were asking for the things. Okay. So see, hi, I'm getting back a response. Hi there, how can I help you today? This is the same setup what I have done. That setup I have done using coding. But here this is n8n. It's a free quick. The पूरे आधे घंटे का काम इसने 2 मिनट में कर दिया. So the same setup I have done. So I will replace the same prompt what we have done. Okay. So let's check this prompt. Translate the sentence into the Spanish. Okay. So मैं थोड़ा prompt में tweak कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे होगा फ्रेंच और स्पेनिश में करेंगे और चैट का इनपुट इधर जाएगा. ओके एग्जीक्यूट सेटअप लेट मी टेस्ट इट. इधर मैं ट्रांसलेशन कर रहा हूँ. आई एम डूइंग ट्रांसलेशन हियर यूजिंग एनीथिंग. सी हियर आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनी. या इट्स एग्जीक्यूटेड सक्सेसफुली. सो आई एम क्लियरिंग इट. Yeah, so now translation is ready. Now I will do, I need to translate this particular statement. So this is the statement, and according, if you see this prompt, I'm telling to French and Spanish. Now let's see. I'm just passing it. It is executing and it is happening, and we will get the output here. See, it is executing. Gemini model is executing. So if you see the output here properly, translation here are the translation. French का ये रहा, LEFUTUR plain and Spanish का ये रहा. So it is not necessary कि you require these things. Okay, language barrier नहीं है prompt engineering में. You can use any language for prompt engineering, but you need to set up LLM for that. Okay. So for that setup, if you are a developer, you are integrating with an application, then you can go with that. And anytime it's like, nothing is, anytime is very easy. See, in front of you, I have done the translation task, what we were doing from last half an hour. Okay, so you can apply that same prompt engineering concept here as well. In front of you guys, let's do the summarization also. Let's summarize the particular thing. Okay, I'm copying the prompt and I'm pasting in the agent. I'm just pasting the summarize the following text into the 3 bullet point, and this will confirm this input. Okay, and going back, and now I'm asking to summarize this particular text. And by pasting the text, let me summarize it. Okay, as you can see, it is running. It is executing, it is summarizing the particular stuff, and it will return as the output. So the class is all about prompt engineering. Okay, it's not about any language. So I have cleared you here. A prompt engineering can work for no code also. And it is a no code solution for agent. Yeah, you can say yes. But having a coding knowledge is a good one, because whenever you got stuck anywhere, so it will be helpful for you. Okay. So here's a summary of 3 bullet point. As you can see, let me make it bigger. See how it is responded. The future of AI is exciting. So ये उसका input था translation का. French में ये रहा, Spanish में ये रहा. And this is about summarization. I've changed the prompt and tweak. So this is the in 3 bullet point. It's the same thing. Just you don't need to worry about language. That's it. Okay, so any issues, guys, now? Yeah, yeah, you can use Java, Divya. You can use. So I think we are good. I hope you guys like the session. Any questions? I am open to answer. Any questions? Aryan, it's not about all about coders. Uh, it's our personal choice how you want to do it. That's why if you see the whole PPT, you will not see anywhere the language stuff. Anywhere you have not seen any Python or Java language. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's techniques are of prompt engineering, not any language. Yeah, PPT and code I will share you, Dhanush. You will have access. Bootcamp is of 2 days. Tomorrow is the last day. Whatever we have learned today, we will, learn some more advanced techniques of prompt engineering, and we will apply those things. We will see what to do and what not to do. Okay, so that's all, guys. Any questions? Any questions? I'm waiting for the questions. Yeah, structuring the prompt. Tomorrow we will learn how we will structure the prompt. That is something, Aryan, that is something an advanced technique. So we will learn tomorrow. So tomorrow be attentive for that, how to structure the prompt. Again, we will use Python also, we will use Anything also for that. Hope you guys like the session. So if you have understood, just just appreciate it. Yes or no. Have you got it? Whatever today we have explained. What is N10? N10 is like an a tool that connects some dots to create a workflow basically. N10 is a tool to create a workflow. You can create any workflow. Okay, team. So I think we are good. Yeah, Bhavani. You will have access to the PPT also in all-in-one documentation. If you see in the description, somewhere you will have the link. How to add API in VS4. I think I have explained that. You can just watch the recording. You have to use .env file. It's similar, Sarthak, ChatGPT. It's similar, just you have to change the API key and the package, what package you are using. Okay, fine, guys. It's good to go. Uh, yeah, meaning this is quite fine to work for prompt engineering. Uh, Still, some of the points are there. You should know that. We will discuss that tomorrow. Like tomorrow's session is very important, guys. By in point of view of actual industry. Nowadays, what we have done, you have understood prompt engineering, but how to exactly use in industry that you don't know still. Okay, how to automate using prompt engineering, all those stuffs. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, fine, guys. Bye. Hope we'll see tomorrow. I expect all of you to join tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye, everyone.
AI isn't coming. It's here. And if you are not building with it, you're already behind. Whether you're just starting out or job hunting, the reality is clear. Companies are hiring Gen AI engineers right now, and they're paying 20 to 30% more. Gen AI is booming from $44 billion in 2023 to a projected $667 billion by 2030. Job listings asking for Gen AI skills tripled in the past year alone. This isn't just a trend, it's a transformation. That's where the Applied AI Engineering program by ITM Skills University and LetsUpgrade comes in. You get a guaranteed 6-month paid internship with a minimum stipend of 10,000 rupees per month. With our partnership with over 700 top companies, access to 200 plus premium AI models worth $300 across text, image, speech, video, and more. You'll build a job-ready Gen AI portfolio with 5 real-world projects. Train hands-on with the tools used at OpenAI, Meta, and Google. In just months, you go from learner to Gen AI engineer. Not just earning, but leading. AI is transforming every industry. Don't just watch it happen. Be the part of it. Apply now